Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make a LEGO Commissioner Hellgate from the Mandalorian. Firstly, you'll want some dark blue legs. The torso I used came from this LEGO Movie security guard. Finally, the head and the hands come from the 12th Doctor. Feel free to pause here if you need a moment to build your minifigure, but hopefully this is what it should look like. Overall, I think I've done an alright job with this minifigure. I wanted to try and make one of the Ugnaughts as well, but I didn't think it looked that good, so I decided to scrap that as a tutorial idea. But here it is if you want to have a look. If you enjoyed this tutorial or found it useful, I'd recommend subscribing to the channel and maybe leaving a like on this video.